Hi, it's Paula from Paula Quilting. Welcome back to my channel. I normally don't do any intricate quilting on my quilts because I only have my domestic machine, and I kind of don't have, mostly I don't have a time to spend a lot of time on quilting. I normally just use wavy lines and straight stitching. That works for me. I've got a few tutorials around it, so I'll link it in the description below. However, on occasion I do want my lines to go in certain points of the quilt, and so I want to mark it before I start quilting, before I put it under the needle, so to help me to guide that line. So what I'm using is just a chalk. They're coming in few colors, so depending on what type of fabric I'm using color that will be visible. Obviously I wouldn't use blue on blue because I will not see it, so I will use either white or yellow to mark that line. It's very easy to mark, very easy to wash off, and it's not permanent, so it will not destroy your quilt. So for example, like here, I want to make sure that my line starts somewhere here in the spot of the quilt, then go around this motif I've got here. I'm using wavy type of stitching here, but I want to go around that motif, and then I want to go down here more or less the same point when I came in. So I want to finish here, go down, and then start the same kind of go all around that motif here on this side. So because I want to keep that line here in specific points, I'm using my chalks to mark my quilt. So it's not perfect for very precise quilting, like exactly on the spot, but if you just want something on your quilt to guide you more or less where you want to be, the chalk is good option for you. I'll pop it in my Amazon storefront, both in UK, USA. I'll put the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I hope you will share this tutorial, subscribe if you haven't done so. Happy sewing, and see you next time.